Alright, yo, so in this video we're going to be making bacon wrapped hillbilly hot dogs. I call them hillbilly hot dogs because when I was younger on the farm we used to make these over an open fire and they were absolutely great. But the day I made them here, it was snowing and freezing, raining and icing, so I just said screw it, I'll just do it in the oven. I do recommend using a double piece of bacon. This one that I'm rolling up here is 2 pieces of bacon. I didn't want to pull this one apart because I thought it was gonna rip. And then this one right here is just a single piece of bacon. Yes, it rolled up easier, but the double wrapped bacon one, oh, it tasted so good and it smells wonderful. But all you need to do is set your oven 400 degrees. Some people like 425. Me, I prefer like 400. You roll them up. You get a baking pan. You put down a piece of tin foil for easy cleanup. And yeah, you just roll them up and throw them on the tin foil. I did 3 of them. 2 for me, 1 for my grandfather. The one on the right is the double wrapped one. But yeah, just throw them in the oven on at 400 degrees. The single wrapped ones took like 20-25 minutes. In this video, I rolled them every 5 minutes, like a quarter of a turn. But thinking back on it now, I probably should have just rolled it a half a turn every 10 minutes. But you can do it either way. It really don't matter. But anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes is how long it's going to take at 400 degrees. And yeah, you'll be able to smell when it's done. Like once like 10 minutes, 15 minutes goes by, you can start smelling the bacon. And then at about 20-25 minutes, you can smell it when bacon's done. But yeah, down to 10 minutes of my first 20 minutes, I'm turning them again. Like I said, I did it every 5 minutes in this video, but I recommend just doing it once every 10 minutes until they're done. But
alright, so I was a little off on my timing. It's probably going to take about 30 minutes.
There already went 25 minutes, and you can tell they're basically done right now. I wanted to get the one on the right a little bit more crispy, but
this one will probably take a little bit longer.
The middle and the left one are both done. Both look really good.
This one's pretty much done. And that one looks really good, actually.
This one I couldn't get to roll. I wanted to get a little bit more color on that one side, and I just could not get it to stay in the spot that I wanted it. And then I was finally just like, man, screw this, I'm done. I just put some Colby Jack cheese on the roll and
give another one about 5 more minutes.
Put the hot dog on top of it. So the single wrapped ones took about 20 minutes, and the double wrapped one took 20. It was like 28 minutes, but I mean, you can tell that's gonna taste good just looking at it. But yeah, the double wrapped one is on the left. But yeah, they were great. They were great. My grandfather, he don't even like hot dogs, and he liked them. But I do recommend using Angus hot dogs. Angus beef hot dogs, and like I said, that's all the cleanup right there. That's all the cleanup you need to do. Just roll that up and throw it in the trash. But all right, I'm out. Later.